Hey guys, it's that time again. Let's take a deep look at the top products of ClickBank. The first quarter of the year is usually the strongest period of sales for health and fitness products, and ClickBank has plenty of those available to promote. So let's dive in. At number 4, we got ProDentim. ProDentim is back and it's climbing back up to number 4. It's been a strong offer ever since it first debuted on ClickBank's marketplace clear back in July. And it's probably coming back because you know what? It's after Christmas, we all got them cavities. This melting probiotic candy shakes up the typical swallowable pill supplement formula. Focuses on audiences of ages 35 plus. And if you got audiences of 35 plus, that's a general audience. You can blast this out everywhere. So after falling a while, the product's EPC is finally leveled off at a healthy $1.85, which is nuts. This dental offer is a proven high converter. It dominated ClickBank in 2022. It's doing really well in 2023, and there's no signs that it's really gonna slow down. So you're looking at an EPC of $1.85, an average payout value of $135, and a hop conversion rate of 1.37%. That is insanely solid, and you know those numbers are doing well on all sorts of paid traffic. And you're talking Facebook, native, Google, YouTube, Pinterest, email, organic, anything that you can put this on, it is doing really well. So hit it up. Real quick guys, if you're liking this content, please take a second to subscribe and give us a like. This helps us create more videos just like this one. Now let's get back to top offers. Number 3, Eat Stop Eat is back at number 3, everybody. This is one of the original online intermittent fasting weight loss programs. It debuted clear back in 2007. The product includes a physical and a digital book, a VIP email coaching, and a bonus quick start guide. Even better, its conversion rate has shot up from 4% to nearly 6.5%. This is a perfect non-supplement weight loss offer for you to test in Q1, and one of several Brad Pilon offers that you can promote here. And let's talk about its numbers right now. So it's got an EPC of $1.62. It's got an average payout value of $25.28, a hop conversion rate of 6.42%. The reason it's doing that well is it does really well on email lists. It does really well on email lists in the first quarter because everyone is looking for, hey, maybe I'm not looking for a supplement, I'm not wanting to get too into it. It's a very good low entry point offer for people looking to lose weight, and it always does well this time of year. There's a reason why it does well every single year since 2007. Promote it, and if you have an email list, it's gonna kill on it. Revive Daily. It continues to kick butt and is at number 2 on our top offers list. It's a powerful supplement designed to promote healthy sleep, anti-aging, and weight loss by restoring one of the most important hormones in the body, the growth hormone. It's no surprise that Revive Daily works best with an older audience of 35 plus. Man, am I an older audience? I'm 38, am I older? And be sure to test this offer right now. Seriously, it's kicking butt. And the reason is, EPCs of $3.06, an average payout value of $156.89, and a hop conversion rate of 1.92%. It does well on paid traffic, so you're talking Facebook, Google, YouTube, native, so if you're working with Outbrain, Taboola, any one of those sources, works really well on email, and it works really well on organic sources. It's a great offer, and they pay out really well, and they work great with affiliates. At number 1, we are gonna talk about Alpilean. It is brand new to the marketplace, but it made its mark right away. Backed by clinical research, Alpilean consists of 6 powerful alpine nutrients and plants to help customers reach their weight loss goals. The product offers a compelling deal of 2 free bonuses with a purchase of 3 or 6 bottles. That is killer for conversion, everybody. Not only that, but it has a strong affiliate tools page with product images, email swipes that allow affiliates to start promoting fast. They also have a great way to customize your hop link so you can track your hops in a very fantastic way with whatever you're using to track those. Now let's talk about the numbers here. It has an EPC of $1.76. It has an average payout value of $148.98 and a hop conversion rate of 1.18%. You may be looking at me, but Michael, those are lower than the other ones. Well, they're a bit lower because everybody is promoting this. When you have so many people promoting it, that means you have everybody's skill set out there. If you have LeBron out there on the same court as, me, shooting percentages are going going to be a bit lower because I'm not going to get to the rim as well. Same thing here as with Alpilean. You have a lot of people promoting it of different skill levels. You have a lot of LeBrons and you have a lot of me's. It is doing well on paid traffic, especially on paid traffic. That is why it's such an amazing product. When we're talking paid traffic, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Google, native sources, it is doing insanely well on those, and it is optimized for those sources. And it's also doing well on emails, doing well on organic, it's doing well on all those other sources. But on paid traffic, it is so optimized. You gotta promote it. If you'd like to learn more, go to our blog so you can see the rest of those offers. Also, click and like and subscribe just so you can see more of these awesome videos. Catch you later, promote, go make some money, y'all.